I made these yummy snacks you're looking at here with carrots. Hello, treasures. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. If you have some carrots and flour at home, then let's make this yummy, delicious buns recipe that will wow your children, your family, and everybody that tastes it. To prepare this, I'll start by cleaning the carrots, scraping the skin and then cutting it. Then set it aside, and into another mixing bowl, I'll sift in 4 cups of all-purpose flour.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly.
After that, go in with a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, or you can use any other flavor of your choice.
Soft piano keys like simmering.
I will also add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and the 2 tablespoons of mixed milk flavor. Then mix everything together.
Stew. Warmth in every melody.
After mixing the dry ingredients together, I'll set it aside, and then we go back to the carrot to prepare it. We are going to blend the carrot, so into my blender I'll add the carrot. Then go in with half cup of milk. You can use only powdered milk and leave off this one. You can use water in place of the milk. I'll also be adding 2 eggs to it. I'll leave all the ingredients I'm using in my description box below or comment section. Add 2 eggs. Then for my sugar, I'll be using dates. For my sweetener, I'll be using dates. So I'm using half cup of date paste. I have a video of how to make this date paste in my channel, so you can check that out. But you can use sugar in place of this. I'm making this for somebody and the person doesn't want sugar, so we use the date. And then I added a 1/4 cup of melted butter. You can also use oil for this, any cooking oil you have or you prefer. Then I will cover the blender and blend until smooth.
Flows through. Rolling dough and stirring dreams, cooking life's most tender themes. Whispering flavors floating in the air.
Next, we add the carrot mixture into the dry ingredients and mix together or combine very well.
Each note blends like spices rare, a calm embrace of taste and sound, treasured kitchen where joy is found. Steam rising like a piano sigh, golden crust, the soft notes fly. It cornered
I'll rinse the blender with half cup of water and add it here too.
each key a spice, cause your
Then I'll continue to mix it until I get a soft and a smooth batter, and
kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon.
the carrot and flour mixture is well mixed now, so we go to the next step, which is heating up some oil and frying it into buns.
Gentle rhythms hum a tune. A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
Just testing to see if the oil is hot enough to start frying, and you can see that it is hot enough. Look at the way the buns jumped up in the oil to the top of the oil. So let's start frying.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare.
To fry the buns, I just wet my hand so that the batter will not stick into my hand, and then be pressing it out with the thumb and the first finger that way. I don't know how to explain it, but just watch the way I'm doing it. And then make sure that the oil is not very hot. If not, the buns will just get burnt on the outside but will not cook inside.
A calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found. Piano stirs like a wooden spoon. Gentle rhythms hum.
When you have added enough and then fried for a few minutes, then flip around so that the other side can also fry. Also, do not overcrowd your pot or pan. Give them space to breathe and fry.
A recipe for peace in every sound, where love for food is truly profound.
Continue to fry on both sides on medium to lower heat until they become golden brown, just like this. It is time to take them out from the oil.
Whispering flavors floating in the air, each note blends like spices rare. A calm embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.
And we'll continue frying the buns in the same process until we are done frying all of them.
A sprinkle of thyme, a dash of peace, gentle notes like a summer breeze, chopping sounds in harmony, kitchen tune so heavenly. Soft piano keys like simmering.
If you have watched up to this minute, thank you. Please give this video a like and also share it. And here we have our delicious and mouth-watering carrot buns. Yes, it is carrot buns. Buns made with carrot. Look at it. Crunchy on the outside but soft inside, and the taste was so amazing. That date, the flavors, the dates, the milk flavor, the cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, all gave it a very nice flavor. I hope you give this a try for your family and yourself. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.
Embrace of taste and sound, treasure kitchen where joy is found.